In this video, I'll show you how to use Zeely App better than Shopify for beginners. So to get started, go ahead and open the Zeely app into your mobile device. So you can actually download this AI-powered app on your mobile device. Either you're an Android user or an iOS user, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Now, after that, go ahead and sign up for an account and choose your business type. And then after you do that, let Zeely AI generate your site, design, layout, and content included. Upload your products or services on the products tab, which you'll find at the bottom right of your screen. Launch your ads directly from the app with its ads feature, so you can launch viral campaign and launch paid campaigns. As you can see in here, you can also create static ads. So you can create static ads for your business on the application. You can also generate AI videos for your business, which makes it easier for you to launch ads later on with this AI generated videos. So, as a new user, these are the things that you need to accomplish before you can proceed with launching your ads, creating your AI videos, and launching your products. If we'll compare Zeely to Shopify for beginners, Zeely is fast setup, built-in ads, and low learning curve, while Shopify is more control, deeper customization, but takes time to learn. If you're just starting out and want something plug and play, Zeely is a no-brainer. But if you're building a long-term brand, Shopify still rules the game with a little help from AI. Whether you choose Zeely or Shopify, the future of e-commerce is smarter, faster, and easier than ever.